Hi, we got a question in from Kirsten via our customer care channel. She didn't post it on the forum, but it's such a good question. I'm going to address it for the forum mums as well. What do you do if you are harvesting your colostrum? You've got your 37 weeks and you've decided you're going to harvest your colostrum. And in this warm, sticky weather, you're finding that it's just drying on the skin. Well, this is a really common issue. Lots and lots of mums tell us this happens. Please don't worry if you're finding that phenomenon of whatever you're expressing is coming out in such a small amount onto a warm body on a dry day like today. It's just difficult to get into a syringe because it's becoming a dry, sticky, almost like when you've got sleep in your eyes when you've had a good night's sleep, a secretion, rather than anything liquid that will go into a syringe. That's not going to be a problem in a day or two. If you keep going 3 times a day from your 37th week and you hand express for a few minutes, it will build up. So in a day or two, that won't be an issue anymore for you, but it can be frustrating if you can't get the stuff out of the breast and into the syringe. So what I'm going to suggest, you might have an egg cup, you might have a shot glass, or you might have something like this. This has just come off some cosmetics that I've got in the bathroom. Now, it needs to be sterilised, and then this can provide you with a little receptacle to drip your milk into, and then you use the syringe to draw it out of this. So you might have already bought your sterilising method for when you've got your little one, or you might not have got there yet. If you get a pan of water, and you boil it on the hob and it's boiling away for 10 minutes, anything submerged completely in that water is sterile. You've got to make sure there's no air bubbles in there. So wash something like this in hot soapy water, submerge it in boiling water for 10 minutes, and that's sterile. So you can lean over and try and get that drop of colostrum to come out of the breast and into this. And after a session, 10-15 minutes on each side, you might have enough in this little receptacle to get your syringe and to draw it up more easily than directly putting the syringe against the nipple. So a lot of our mums tell us they do find it faffy. Try not to stress out. Oxytocin needs you to be chilled out. Put something on the telly, relax and hand express. Maybe have a cool or a tepid shower first so your core body temperatures come down a little bit. Maybe even sit in a cool bath and do it so the moisture in the air helps your colostrum flow. But don't worry, a day or two makes a big difference. Keep going.